don't mind me, I'm super just like comfy at the moment, even though I do have like a full face, semi-half face of makeup on at the moment. But this video is going to be a little different from my normal ones. It's going to be more of like a vlog situation, and I'm going to be cleaning out my vanity. You can kind of see what I'm wearing. I'm literally in pajamas. But let me show you guys my vanity, because I don't think I've ever updated you guys on the Impressions vanity that I did buy. So this is what we're kind of working with. All of these drawers are filled. Most of them, about 75% of these drawers, are full of makeup. So we are going to be kind of organizing everything. Don't mind the mess. It's just super chaotic here at my house. But these are the inserts that I bought. It's been super chaotic with these inserts. Like, they have been so problematic. I mean, granted, it's my own fault, but I think I need to sit down because I need to give you guys a little bit of a backstory about those inserts. Because if you don't follow me on Instagram, which, I mean, granted, you really should. So those inserts are from Vanity Collections, and it's a brand all the way in like Australia. And a follower of mine and a good friend of mine actually recommended them, and I went on the website, and they're specifically for Alex draws. And me being the idiot that I am and super excited, I didn't even think to measure them. I just kind of assumed that the Impressions vanity draws and the Alex draws are the same dimensions and the same size and blah blah blah. I ordered five of these inserts, and it came up to probably like $100 and something bucks. On top of that, you have to pay $40 if you're in the States for shipping, because shipping is super expensive, granted, which is understandable. So altogether, I probably paid like $150 for all of these inserts. I get them, and they don't fit. Like, I mean, they literally don't fit any of the draws. And I literally had a panic attack. I'm gonna insert a video here of me literally panicking when I tried to put them in the drawer and they literally don't fit. So my boyfriend ended up having to come over the next day, and we cut each of the drawers to fit the dimensions of, we didn't cut the drawers, we cut the inserts to fit the drawers. So thank God that I can actually use them, because I didn't want to take them back, because granted, if you do buy inserts from Vanity Collection, do not take it out of the plastic that's covered on them, because if you take them off the plastic, they literally will not take them back. Let me show you guys these drawers, because they are insane. I will just say, some of these drawers are kind of like not completely filled. They're half filled because if those of you who follow me on Instagram, you know that I am a working makeup artist, and so I literally have 2 of everything, and a lot of my stuff is in my kit. So some of these drawers are really empty. So again, I do have more makeup than what you actually do see here, but let me show you what we're working with. So I have all of my palettes like in here, and the first drawer is like all of glitters and things like that. This one here is more like cleaning stuff for my brushes, so my Sigma stuff is in here. And then this is a complete mess. Like, I mean, I don't even, just ignore that. But here we have like all of my foundations and stuff like that. And then over there, again, it's like skincare, moisturizers, lashes in here, and then full of highlighters and stuff like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those 4 drawers are full of like important paperwork, as well as like giveaways. Like, those 2 bottom drawers are full of giveaways that I need to give you guys. So yeah, but all of my brushes and stuff are up here, and I have more makeup in here, and it's just like a nightmare. But what I do want to show you guys is this palette before I get into anything. This is from LA Girls. This is their new palette, and oh my god, like, I feel like the camera is not doing these colors justice, but they are absolutely beautiful. Like, the pigment is super intense. Like, wow. But anyways, not that even is pertaining to this video, but I'm going to set you guys up and kind of just go through all of these drawers, clean them. So I hope you guys don't mind this video too much, because it's more going to be of a time lapse of me just kind of cleaning everything out and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, let's just get started.
Hashtags, likes, and tweets will find a way to get lost. Yeah, and when I pull up to the scene, I wonder what the hell is the cost. And yeah, I know you never seen nothing like this before. Yeah, but this is different. Yeah, I deserve to find some self-comfort. So find a way to
guys, so I totally didn't get through all of the draws, but I got through the draws that I needed to do. I need to buy a couple of more inserts. I'm probably not going to buy them from Vanity Collections again just because it's too much of a hassle. So if you guys know any inserts, acrylic inserts that measure and fit the size of the Vanity draws, let me know in the comments and I will definitely purchase them. But I just want to show you the progress because again, it's just going to be like one of those things that it's gonna take time, but let me show you because it is so aesthetically pleasing. So we have our glitter draw. Most of them fit in here, and then this one is just kind of a miscellaneous draw, but I have my rhinestones and stuff in here and brush cleaners. And then this one over here is all of my foundations. So nice that I can actually see them now. And then if we move over here, the first draw here that I have, it's full of like moisturizers and skincare, my like sunglasses and stuff at the back here, and some backups for my duo glue. So this is really nice to actually be able to see them. And then this one we have lashes. Again, it goes all the way at the back, which I really appreciate, and everything you can really see, and I know what I have now. And then the last draw that I did are all of my highlighters. Again, it goes all the way to the back there, which again, really nice, and I can really see what I have and what I need to replace and all those kinds of things. But yeah, I guess the other step for me would be to kind of get more acrylic inserts for these two draws and these two at the bottom here. I would like to get inserts for these, but I mean, they're somewhat organized. I do need to organize them a little bit more and clean out these draws because I probably have things I need to throw away. But nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, comment down below if you guys know any inserts that will fit these draws. I would, of course, definitely buy them. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!